How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Canon G3010 printer to a laptop wirelessly. So the easiest way to do this is to connect it via a wireless router. This method connects both your printer and laptop to your home Wi-Fi network. So the first thing that you want to do is to prepare the printer. So in order to do this, you just have to turn on the printer and press the direct button until the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing. So just go ahead and make sure to look at the Wi-Fi direct button, wait for it to flash, and from there you should be good to go. Head over to your laptop and then download the G3010 series full driver software package. Click download, and from there you will be able to set the Wi-Fi for your specific printer. So inside the application, just go ahead and select the on-screen instruction, and when prompted you want to select the wireless LAN connection and choose connect via wireless router. From there, just look for your Wi-Fi details and you should be good to go. And you just want to do the same thing for your laptop, where you want to connect it to the same router, so in that way they will have this wireless connection. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.